Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, today we're back at the Vita Nola, my 1917 beautiful phonograph. So honored to have this. And no, we're not going to be playing Sugar Blues, one of my Vogue, or I should say my Vogue picture disc, because I don't have any other ones right now. Not yet, anyway. I would love to, but so far that is the one that I have. No, today we're going to be taking a look at some rather rare 78 RPM records. These miniature Victor records. These are Raggedy Ann stories and kind of beat up, but very historical and very interesting. As you can see, this is approximately a 7-inch disc. So pretty rare, I think, to have, a 78 that is not 10 inches. So we'll go ahead and listen to one of these. And yeah, super cool. Super thankful to have received this as a gift recently. Just neat. I love these. These are orthophonic, so we can play them on this unit without any major issues, even though a lot of people say, well, orthophonic, you shouldn't be playing, electrically recorded records on an acoustic phonograph. This particular reproducer, I believe, was rebuilt fairly recently. It seems to have pretty rugged gaskets and whatnot, so although I do it sparingly, I do play back, orthophonic recordings on it, although technically you want to stick to the more acoustically recorded records. So anyhow, let's go ahead and give it a listen. My mainspring needs a wind because I just played a record. As you can tell, my brake leather needs replacing. It's kind of worn out there, so it likes to slip sometimes, which is really freaky if it starts going off in the middle of the night. You're laying there in bed and you hear terrifying sounds from the phonograph in the middle of the night. But no, this has been a great unit. Really thankful to have it. And it's not in perfect condition, but it's in remarkable condition. Especially the finish on the wood is just amazing. And the motor's in really good condition as well. So here we go. Without further ado, Raggedy Ann.
And down the path came happy old Raggedy Andy, who always seemed to be grinning cheerily, no matter what may happen. Who but old Raggedy Andy? He's just a little rag doll who has the reddest hair, but who doesn't care. Who's stuffed with nice white cotton. Who but old Raggedy Andy? He's such a happy rag doll. Now that we're all here, Raggedy Ann said, we'll sing a song to you, Mother dear. Oh, Mother dear, my Mother dear, gentle Mother dear, when you're away I miss you so, wish that you were here, to kiss away my lonely tears and drive away my fears. I cannot tell you all you need to be, my Mother dear. And just as they finished singing, our friends heard the call of the cuckoo clock. Cuckoo clock, wake me from my dreaming, when the sun comes gleaming, with your cherry. Cuckoo clock, when the stew goes ringing, then I hear you singing, time is on its through. Cuckoo clock, you are never weary, you are ever cheery, with your happy. Cuckoo clock, when I'm through my playing, then I hear you say, time to go to sleep.
Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to play the other side. And while that side is playing, I want you guys to tell me down in the comments below, what do you think the recording date of these records are? They are two from a set. I don't have the case or anything or the slipcover or whatnot, but I do know the recording date. So let me know what you would guess based off of the sound, the appearance, all that good stuff. And let me know down in the comments. I'll let you know what it is after this side. And by the way, I am of the mindset that these needles last more than one side. But either way you look at it, this is such a small record that we can definitely play two sides.
Bedtime, children, Mother said. Now go right to sleep, for tomorrow morning is Christmas. We'll all get up early and open our presents. Bells are ringing, Christmas morn, tidings bringing Christ is born, angels singing up above, songs of peace and joy and love. Lift your happy voices, children, while the angels hover near. Joyful carol singing, Christmas presents bringing, Christmas happiness is here. Let's go to bed, said a tired old horse yawning. So they all climbed up on his back, and away they went upstairs to the little bed. Oh, the tired old horse can scarcely drag his feet. If he gets much worse, he'll be too tired to eat. He's so old and stiff, he isn't worth his seat. He would go to bed, but he'd be too tired to sing. There was a time, so I am told, he ran away with Grandpa Cole. He smashed the buggy on the pole, but that was long ago. Now the tired old horse is happy in his way, for he thinks he still can hear his master say, "Thump, diddly-dum, thump, get out."
Okay, so what's your guess? What year? The answer is 1931. 1931. So, well into the electric orthophonic recording era, using amplified microphones, electric amplification, versus the older acoustic style of recording, which you literally would just crowd around a horn. It's like a reverse of this, where this starts small and funnels everything bigger, bigger, bigger out into this horn. You would stand around, they would put the quiet instruments like the violins up front, the loud horns in the back, and they would all just perform, and that sound would travel down into the lathe, and it would, cut the wax in that form and fashion. So really, really interesting. So, but yeah, 1931, we're into the electric orthophonic phase, and, using an orthophonic phonograph is ideal, but like I said, I have pretty good luck with this one. So far, so good. I've got a ton of 78s that you haven't heard yet. So this one being an orthophonic recording, we're going to go back in time. So if you like this video, check out our next video. I'm not sure when it's going to be posted. Probably, well, it's today sometime. I don't know if it's an hour or 2 hours from now. But if you like this, check out the next video, and we're going to listen to a much older acoustic recording on this acoustic phonograph. So I hope you will enjoy that. Speaking of enjoy that, if you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, still give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either one helps the channel, and I would appreciate it. But that's going to do it for now, guys. Happy record hunting. We will see you tomorrow.